Good morning students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today again we are continuing the chapter Fishtail and our today's topic number system. Today we will do first arrangement of numbers. Arrangement means some numbers will be randomly arranged. You have to arrange the number either in ascending order or increasing order or in descending order or decreasing order. Now ascending order means small to big. First small number, then big number. And descending order means big to small. First big number, then small number. So here I have taken one example. One set of numbers. You can see already you have done the place value chart. So first number is 23,415. 15,203, 22,125, 15,309, 22,022. So first we have to arrange the number in ascending order. That is first small, then big. So among the numbers you can see which is the most small number. Here 23,000, 15,000, 22,000, 15,000, 22,000. So these two are 15,000. Now here 15,203 and here 15,309. So first of all 15,203. Next number, this is 15,309. Now next 22,125 and 22,022. Which one is the small? This one. So 22,022. Next 22,125. Then 23,415. So now you can see the numbers are arranged in ascending order. That is from small to big. Now similarly, descending order, that is from big to small. So just its reverse. So among the numbers, big number is 23,415. So it will come first. 23,415. Then 22,125. Then 22,022. Then 15,309. Then 15,203. So the numbers are arranged in descending order. So if the question is given in the form arrange the number in ascending order, that is you have to arrange the number from small to big. And if the question is in the form arrange the number in descending order or decreasing order, then you have to arrange the number from big to small. So in this way you can arrange the numbers. Now come to the next part, which is the conversion. Here we will only consider meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter. So from meter to centimeter, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 100. We have to multiply by 100. So if the number is given in the meter and you have to convert the number in centimeter, then you have to multiply the number by 100. 5 meter, meter is denoted by small m, equals to, you can see, 5 into 100. So when you are multiplying by 100, the number converted to centimeter, which is denoted by cm. So 5 meter is equals to 5 into 100 centimeter, that is 500 centimeter. Similarly, 15 meter equals to 15 into 100 centimeter, that is 1500 centimeter or 1500 centimeter. So from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. And the next, when you have to convert the number from centimeter to meter, just its reverse. That is, in this case, you have to divide by 100. You have to divide by 100. Give some example. Here 900 centimeter. So 900 centimeter, that is 900 by 100 meter. So 9 meter. Similarly, suppose 235 centimeter. So 235 divided by 100. 100 to the 235 is the remainder. So what is the quotient? That is the meter. And what is the remainder? That is the centimeter. So 235 centimeter equals to 2 meter 35 centimeter. So in this way, you can convert the unit. It is very useful in mensuration. There you can see lots of conversions are there. When we will discuss the mensuration, that time we will discuss briefly. Now you have to just convert meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. When you are converting meter into centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. When you are converting centimeter into meter, you have to divide by 100. In this way. So today what we have discussed, first of all, arrangement of numbers, that is either in ascending order or in descending order, and the conversion. So depending on the today's discussion, I hope everyone understand the arrangement of numbers and the conversion of numbers. So practice more. Here for your practice, I have given some homework. So everyone note down in your copy and must do this homework. Number 1, arrange in ascending order. Number A, 3250, 2135, 4200, 5439, 6295. Number B, 21325, 612764, 21354, 21125, 613457. Number 2, arrange in descending order. Number A, 9107, 8125, 9320, 9545, 5039. And number B, 5545, 5445, 5454, 5554, 5555. Next, number 3, convert meter into centimeter. Number A, 95 meter. Number B, 105 meter. Number C, 8 meter. All of these you have to convert in centimeter. And number 4, convert centimeter into meter. Number A, 1000 centimeter. Number B, 937 centimeter. Number C, 555 centimeter. So must do this homework.